Hello out there, YouTube fans, or should I say, hola, YouTube amigos. This is Princess Twilight Sparkle, and with me this time are Citrus Sweetheart, Rainbow Citrus, Fiesta Flare, Emerald Ray, Kiwi Tart, Ivy Mist, Tangerine Twist, and Periwinkle. Yeah, we've got a full house today, folks. Yeah. And since today is one of the first days of the Carnival in Brazil, we are going to be watching, you guessed it, Thomas's Adventures in Brazil. That's going to be so fun. Totally, yeah. All right. So without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Yeah, let's do it. All right. Our first story is The Other Big Engine. Ooh.
Hola, Thomas! How's it going?
Gabriella, my engine friend.
Good, thank you, Gabriella.
Whoa! Whoa! Goodness gracious. I think I know who that was. You'll soon find out, Thomas. Oh, rainbow lorikeets. I love rainbow lorikeets. They're so beautiful and colorful. And there he is!
Hola! Hola! I'm Thomas.
My name's Gustavo.
Gustavo.
How would you like it on the Brazilian Railway?
I love it here, Gustavo. It's such a good railway.
Yes, Thomas. We have a saying here. O Brasil é o país do futuro.
Oh?
It means Brazil is the land of the future.
Ooh.
It's a saying that means a great deal to we engines here on the
As
Brazilian
Gustavo spoke, I thought about how much he reminded me of another engine.
Oh?
But who?
Oh.
See you later, little engine.
Whoa! Quite the loud type. Totally. Oh, Cassia.
Does he remind me of Edward, Henry, Toby?
No, none of them.
Ooh, the Flying Scotsman.
No.
No.
Well, no, but close.
Thomas, look out!
Huh?
Wow.
Look out! Ah! Whoa! Careful! Whoa! Ooh! Mangoes! Oh!
Oh, indignidade.
Wait.
Oh, sorry, Gustavo.
What did he just say?
Wait, what did he say? Oh, indignidade. It means, oh, the indignity.
Oh, the indignity. Gordon!
Gustavo is just like Gordon.
Wow, now. Makes sense, because he's in a Brazilian Express engine.
To meet another engine just like Gordon. How many Gordons are there?
Looks like 2 now. Oh,
And
boy.
a very important engine.
Uh.
Muito importante.
Whoa!
2 Gordons?
Oh!
Why not 4?
Ah!
Quattro.
Whoa! Goodness gracious!
Or even 8.
Ah! Okay, this fantasy sequence is really crazy. Ah! Okay. Oh my! Make it stop! Whoa, boy! Oh! Ah!
Little engine.
Oh!
Hello, Gustavo.
Whew.
Or should I say, Gordon?
Sorry, what?
Nothing.
Oh,
Oh dear.
okay. Well, this is where we part ways, my friend. A little engine like you can't take the express line.
Right. Oh, he's got a loud horn.
Who does he think he is calling me little? He can't tell me what to
Oh,
do.
brother.
It's bad enough being told what to do by one Gordon.
Oh
I'll
dear.
show that bossy blue engine. If I want
He's
to
not
fix this
bossy.
one, I'll
Typical
take it.
Thomas. Always judging engines before getting to know them. Sadly, that is true, Emerald Ray.
Whoa.
Huh? Ooh! Nice beach line, though.
The express
Whoa.
line is fast and anything
Whoa.
I'd seen before.
That is beautiful, I'll admit.
So glad I took the express line.
You won't be for long. Oh dear.
No! I'm running low on coal and water.
Oh
There must
dear.
be a coal hopper around here somewhere.
No, because electric engines don't run on coal or water. Oh, and he's completely out.
So much for the land of the future. I can't see much future at this point.
Ah! Oh no!
Oh no!
It's Gustavo!
Stuck! What am I gonna do?
Ah! He can't move!
I can't blow my whistle.
Oh!
Oh no! I'm gonna get squished like one of those mangoes.
Oh, Gustavo, stop!
Ah!
Ah! Stop! Oh, oh.
Thomas, you silly little engine.
It's not my fault. I didn't mean to. What kind of railway has no coal hopper and no water tower?
An electric railway.
Yes, thank you.
Why on earth did you take the express line after I told you not to?
Because I don't like being bossed around by big blue engines.
Oh, Thomas, I wasn't trying to boss you around. I was helping you.
Exactly.
I can see that now. You must think that I'm a really silly engine.
Not at all. I like you. You've got fire.
That would be my coal burning. If I had any.
It's an expression,
Oh,
Thomas.
Thomas, you make me laugh. Here, let me help you.
When we first met, you reminded me of another engine called Gordon. He and I
Don't get along.
We don't always get along. But actually, you're quite different. I'm sorry, Gustavo.
No problem. Little engine. Fiery, funny little engine.
Gustavo, can we start again? Like, hola, my name's Thomas. Nice to meet you, Gustavo.
Good.
Hola, Thomas. Nice to meet you too. Now, why don't you tell me all about this other engine? Gordano.
You mean Gordon?
Gordon.
Okay.
Well, that's what he said.
Well, one time, when Gordon especially streamlined for a race, set off and saved me now.
Well, every pony, what did you think about that? What did you think of Thomas's first day in Brazil? It was good. Yeah, it was pretty good. Except for the fact that Thomas judged Gustavo before getting to know him properly. Well, that's Thomas for you. But he always learns his lesson in the end. That's good, yeah. Well, folks, this is just one of the 5 videos we're going to be uploading for Thomas's adventures in Brazil. Keep an eye out for part 2.